Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you. Welcome to Hikmah Montessori Resource Center. For today's video, I'm going to talk about introduction of arithmetic in the Montessori environment. Dr. Maria Montessori proposed that the introduction of mathematics during the period of the absorbent mind that from 0 to 6 years old. This enables the child to form positive associations with numbers, which can be carried out on throughout their life. The key is to provide the child with hands-on experiences. Maria Montessori use of the term the mathematical mind. What is the purpose of these materials? The purpose of the concrete Montessori materials is to allow children to discover the mathematical processes and reach abstraction. Montessori materials possess characteristics which attract the child and provide developmentally appropriate conditions to grow. They are visually appealing and manipulative, which invites the child to touch them. These are some of the arithmetic materials which we are using in our environment. This is number rods. The child typically work with the number rods after mastering the long rods. Long rods help establish visual discrimination of the length. The number rods introduce to the child to quantity 1 to 10 and their corresponding number names through exploration with the material. The child also develops concepts in the sequence of number combinations of 10 and basic arithmetic. Sandpaper numbers. Sandpaper numbers are important functional Montessori mathematic material that introduce numerals 0 to 9 to young children. The sandpaper numbers are tactile, so that inviting the child to touch and experiment. This one is the spindle boxes. The wooden spindles are introduced after the child has a solid understanding of the quantities 1 to 10 and recognizes the corresponding numeric symbols. This activity is introduced prior to the zero game and is the child's introduction to the concept of zero. We call this cheat game or memory game to train the child's memory by asking him to retain a numerical symbol in his mind, and they really love this game. This is called cards and counter. Cards and counter is a material that consists of 10 number cards and 55 counters. We arrange the cards 1 to 10. After the cards are in order, the counters each represent one unit, and this emphasizes for the child the fact that each number is made up of different quantities. We also use this material for odd and even activity. This is called Introduction to Decimal System. Actually, from number rods to cards and counter, we talk about the quantities, and now to numerals. So, Introduction to Decimal System is a numeral system which organizes and classifies numerical quantities into different hierarchies of units. In the house of children, it is offered when the child can count to 10 with complete understanding, with the knowledge of the symbols 1 to 9, and can recognize 0. We also call this decimal system static part material. So here under we have decimal system dynamic material. So we use these materials for the operation. So we will talk about this later on, inshallah, in my upcoming videos. Actually, from number rods to decimal system, this is like a root or a foundation in arithmetic in Montessori. So the exercises in arithmetic are grouped. There is some sequential work and some parallel work that also we will talk in my upcoming videos, inshallah. I hope you got some basic idea how we teach arithmetic in Montessori. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.